What's up guys, Jackson here with Toasty DIY, and today we're looking at something that Teng Tools sent over to us. This is the 74-piece ratcheting screwdriver kit. Let's go ahead and open it up. So Matt and I actually opened this toolkit up on stream, and we even used it for a lot of the stream. And we heavily compared it to our LTT screwdriver. That's the reason why it is off to the side here. So we have already tested out, the main tool here, which is the ratcheting screwdriver. That does have some bit storage in here. It actually holds 6 bits in the back, just standard 1/4 inch. And this one is a screw-on type rather than the LTT style, which kind of pops up. The ratcheting is definitely a little less fine. The LTT screwdriver has a lot more teeth. And it's a little bit more gentle, so when you're trying to unscrew something, it's less likely on the LTT screwdriver to try to back out on you. Now, the biggest difference, I will say, is you have a magnet that holds in the bits, and the magnet actually works really well. You can see I'm struggling to even get the bit out, but weirdly enough, there's something about the LTT screwdriver that makes it like 8 times stronger on the magnet department. So that's really just getting those complaints out of the way. Everything else is pretty good. I mean, the toolkit itself is definitely something to talk about because it's an actual box that you can reuse. It has their really cool logo on it, which I do really like. The kit is plastic. It has a kind of cheaper plastic insert, but as you can see, even with the bit installed, we are able to put the screwdriver in there. And we got some really cool stuff here too. We have a flex extension, we have a standard 1/4 inch extension, we have an adapter so that you can attach sockets to it. It actually comes with a single socket as well. Actually, this is also an adapter. It adapts the opposite, a socket 1/4 inch to a standard bit. And then you can see here, we get a lot of different bits. So we have multiple sizes and types of Phillips. We have security Torx bits. We have standard Torx bits. We have actually 2 kits of those, ranging in really small to pretty large. We have some more Phillips over here, which once again, they're kind of a different style. All the flatheads we could need, a couple of specialty Phillips, and then we kind of have like some random specialties over here like hex head and even square bit. Now at the time of filming this video, this kit's around 75 bucks. You can buy it on Amazon, you can buy it straight from their website. I will say we will have some discount codes listed down below, so check out that for the latest code. Hopefully we'll have our own code soon. But all of their stuff is designed in Sweden, and they were nice enough to send over some pretty cool stuff. We even got like some beer steins that we'll be using on our live streams. But yeah, the toolkit itself, I would definitely say is geared more towards the mechanic side of things. That's really what most of their tools are designed for. This is meant to go inside of your toolbox. Obviously you can take this whole entire insert out, which most people would probably do. They'd probably just take this and then put it straight inside of their nicely organized toolbox. But I do like this plastic case. It's really not too bad. It's not super flimsy. But here's a little more info on some of the stuff that actually comes inside of the box. You can pause in the screen if you want to see all of the bits and the material that the screwdriver and the bits are made out of. But yeah, it's definitely a really cool kit, and like I was saying, I definitely think that the LTT screwdriver is still more geared towards just PC enthusiasts, but it's still good for putting together furniture and some other basic tasks. I think this one, just because of all the different bits, I'm assuming they're probably slightly stronger bits too, having the extensions. I think that this kit's definitely more suited in your toolbox for things beyond just PCs and furniture. This would probably be really good for working on cars, and that's probably why the ratcheting mechanism is a lot more, I almost call it brutal, is so that you're not breaking the ratcheting mechanism on the inside. It can probably handle a lot more torque. And speaking of that, you can lock it. You can actually lock it in place so it doesn't ratchet. And then you have, of course, forwards and backwards or left and right built onto there. And the added bit storage is nice too, so that if you want to throw this in your toolbox just at home or like in your junk drawer, you could have a screwdriver that can do everything, which is always nice to have. It's gonna be good on the wall. It's actually a cutout sticker too, guys. Definitely a heavier tooth ratchet.
Oh yeah,
it's not as fine.
You need like some thumb strength right there.
You'll definitely, if your screw's really loose, you're not gonna be ratcheting with that,
What else we get in the box?
Now this is cool. This is something that we have had moments where we probably need to use it. It's a like a flex head, so you put your bit on the end.
You get all up in there.
All up in there. That's cool.
Boom, boom.
Yeah.
This is for McAllister.
Ah.
I don't know if they're not magnetic. I will say, if you want feedback, that is a big selling point for PC build.
Like if you look, there's a magnet in here. I'm surprised it's not traveling.
Like watch what happens when I stick this inside here. Look how many screws I just picked up.
Yeah. It's got a point.
This is a good selling point. I will say, just, you know, give them feedback for if you are going to target PC builders. Magnetic bits.
See, that's kind of ignorant, you know. I might have to cop
20% is kind of nuts. The entire cart.
Would we be able to get a custom discount code made for Toasty Bros? So once again, thanks to Teng Tools for sending over this 74-bit kit with the ratcheting screwdriver. If you want to buy one of these or even check out their website, check out the links down below. They will likely not be affiliate links besides maybe the Amazon one, so that will help us out if you decide to use it. But yeah, hopefully we'll get some more stuff from them, and maybe we'll find some more stuff that can kind of mesh into the PC world. But this will be great for working on cars and doing some more heavy-duty things out there. So we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you check out Toasty Bros, Toasty Clips, check out PC Bros as well. Buy a PC today. See you guys later. Peace out.